Welcome to Silver Springs State Park in Ocala, Florida, a natural paradise known for its crystal clear springs, rich history, and diverse wildlife, including alligators, manatees, otters, turtles, wide variety of bird species, and other water creatures.
You may be thrown from the vessel. I mean, after all, you did just break my heart. I might have a little surprise in store for you. But of course, if you do find yourself stuck out there in the water today, don't worry, I'm going to make sure you have plenty of assistance because as you go overboard, I will activate my highly trained alligator rescue team to come help get you back to shore. Although I must inform you guys that their rates have changed and it's now going to cost you an arm and a leg for their services.
Wow, those are manatees! Wow, they're so beautiful!
Yeah, normally in St. Pete there's big ones. It's a little bit late in the year for that big one happens, but no. So
Alligator!
ever since the state opened it up, I believe.
Tilapia hang out here.
Wow, that's a lot of fish.
And guys, if you look into the woods on the right now, you may find a few of the wild Florida tourists.
Hello, tourists! Please follow, like, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Travel with Lilia not to miss on any new fun videos.